Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So, to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application, this one right over here. Unfortunately, this is the only contacts application we have right here, and that will make more sense later on. Anyway, when you open it up for the first time, it asks you the stupidest question if to allow basically the contacts application to send you notifications. Now don't get fooled, this is not contacts sending you notifications, this is the application itself. The application that its sole purpose is to store contacts wants to send you notifications. Why? So we're gonna obviously select don't allow because there's no reason why that should ever happen. And next we're going to navigate to organize, and here we want to scroll down to manage SIM, and I want to condemn this right away. I absolutely hate this bullshit right here that Google is pulling. This is such a piece of shit, such a conniving bullshit that they are doing right here. So you can see, choose where to save contacts, device in Google, more options. Now here's a pop quiz. Let me just brighten it up a little bit so you can kind of see this a little bit better. So the pop quiz, you can see this window that pops up right here. Do you think under that more options, the more options will take more, less space than what we have right here for this option to be hidden for no reason? If you guessed something along won't change or maybe even less, well, just a tiny bit more. So there's just a single option. There is always just a single option. This list extends by a freaking pixel up. This is no reason to give you this piece of shit option being hidden away under more. Go screw yourself, Google. Now, there is a reason for this to be happening. The reason is because when you select the only option that is visible right here without actually, thinking about, well, let's see what's under more options, what you're doing and what Google wants to do basically, why this is happening, is straight up steal other people's information without their permission. I cannot call this any different. So by selecting Google, you're basically, I'm going to obviously select this option, and I recommend you select device only. So by selecting Google and the device, you're importing these contacts both to your device and to the cloud. And I'm importing contacts that are just kind of like the default contacts that come on a SIM card right here. So these aren't real numbers. But obviously, you are probably importing someone else's real information, their phone number and names and so on. Now, before I go any further with this, I do want to quickly mention, here we can select contacts that you don't want or deselect them. If you have some deselected, that means that these contacts already exist where you're trying to import them to. Now from there, we're going to click on import. Now, before I go further into the absolute bullshitness that is happening right here, I want to also talk about this piece of shit showing up right here. Remove copies from SIM. To clean up your SIM, remove copies of imported contacts. Contacts that aren't imported won't be affected. Why? Google, why would you want to delete these? Huh? Maybe give me a reason instead of just a bullshit little excuse for you to have more control over my data. Because basically, if you import your contacts right there, they're automatically getting rid or trying to get rid of this, the hard backup that we have of your contacts. Them being stored on a physical SIM card. The SIM card that has storage for just contacts, nothing else. This storage cannot store anything else or rather apart from these damn contacts. And Google's like, oh, clear storage. For what? What am I gonna use this storage for? So obviously we're gonna select keep right here, and now that we have imported our contacts, we can go back into the list right here. Depending where you imported your contacts to, you can change the display location right over here. So we can see we have contacts, well, all contacts, Google, SIM, and device. Now I'm going to select the device one right here. I can see that it gives you this annoying little piece of shit icon to annoy the hell out of you, because obviously they want you to, import these contacts. This is deliberately designed to annoy the hell out of you. And believe me, importing it to the cloud doesn't really give you any additional benefits. You have the same kind of control over them when they're on your phone as they are on the cloud. The only benefit, I guess, would be the fact that they will now appear when they're on the cloud on every other device that has this account signed in. Now, you can also get these contacts by just straight up creating a VCF file and then having a file that can just import contacts by like 2 clicks. Complicated. Anyway, now when we click on one of these contacts, for instance, we can now edit, and here is where I want to continue the shit talking of Google. So you can see we have contacts on a lot of different storages, but we're gonna select the device one, as it's the one that actually matters. And obviously these options that you will see right here are exactly the same when you import these devices to the cloud. So in here we can start off by adding pictures, either the little like an icon picture, along with a full page one when someone is calling you. We have first surname, company, phone numbers. You can add as many contact phone numbers as you want. So you can have work, home, fax, and all that other crap. We have labels, we have notes, we have email, dates of birth, addresses, and others. Now, I want to stress this. This is not usually going to be your phone number. This is going to be someone else's personal information. And that information here can consist of literally their entire existence by the looks of it, including email addresses, birthday addresses, so where they live, how to contact them, along with every phone number for that contact, an email address, or through email or phone numbers, with their first and last name. And as a company that basically thrives on selling personal data and making profit off of that, that's a freaking goldmine for them that you never see a single penny of. Should you import this to the cloud? Hell no, you shouldn't. You're straight up giving away someone else's information without them probably even wanting this. So I urge you to basically import your contacts to the device, and if you need to have them show up on other devices, create a VCF file, move it over to that device, and basically import it through that. That's going to be the best way, the most secure, and the one that isn't also affected by, for instance, a internet outage or servers going down from Google, which recently has been happening quite often. So this is going to be a more secure option. And for the love of God, don't delete contacts from your SIM card. There's a storage there for a reason, and it's not to be empty. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.